very warm good morning to all my dear lovely students. So, how are you students? Everybody is fine? Yeah, everybody is looking fine from here. And do you remember who I am? Yes, I am your English teacher, Asha. As everybody know, welcome back in my English online video class once again. Okay students, so tell me your studies. Now, how's your studies going on? Are you watching the videos properly? Are you attending your online classes regularly? Or you all are doing your work on time? Yes, that's very good. I know that you everybody are completing your work on time and you all are attending your classes on time. But students, those students who are not attending your online classes yet, you can inform to them also, okay? And you can inform them to attend their classes and to watch the videos on the regular basis so that you all would be able to understand the content. Okay students, otherwise you will not able to understand whatever has been taught during these classes or the videos. Okay students, so this is your moral responsibility to inform your friends about your classes. Okay students, so now everybody is ready for the class. Should I start my today's class? Okay, so I would like to start my today's class with the word of the day, and your word of the day is anomaly. That means something different or abnormal. Anomaly, that means something different or anomaly. Okay students, and your sentence of the day is: a day without laughter, a day is wasted. I repeat my sentence: a day without laughter is a day wasted. Everybody, you know what is laughter? Yes, laughter is your laughing, your enjoyment. Okay, so a day without laughter is a day wasted. So students, as you everybody know, this SOD and WOD you all will be writing in your notebook with the date. What is the date today? Today is 30th July and the day is Thursday. So students, as you know that this week we are going through the writing skills. After completing your grammar, your MCV, now we are doing writing skills, and in this week we are learning how to write the formal letters, letter to principal. Okay students, I have told you about the format of the formal letters. I have told you some points regarding formal letters, that what are those points that you should follow while writing the formal letters. Is there anybody who can tell me about those points? Anybody can tell me even a single point? Yes, those points, let's recapitulate. Yes, your content should be to the point, your language should be polite, okay students, and your content should be point to point, your subject to should be to the point, and you will be start writing from the left hand side on your notebook. Okay students, yes, so these are the some points that while writing the formal letter you everybody are supposed to follow. Okay students, and even during this week I have given you some important point to be a confident speaker also, and even I have told you why the speaking is important to everyone, why we are learning the writing skills. Okay, why writing skills are compulsory for everyone. Okay, and is there anybody who can tell me even a single tip about your easy ways to be a confident speaker? Yes, while speaking and to be confident, you can make your videos. You should learn your content well. Okay, students? Yes, you should learn your content well, and anyone. Okay, किसी को फॉलो नहीं करना है, आप जो हैं जैसे हैं वैसे ही परफॉर्म करेंगे. Okay, and don't wait for the approval, right? You just go through your content and speak confidently. Okay, student. And what are the 4 skills of speaking? Those are listening, speaking, reading, and writing. Understood, students? So we have done all these things during this week, and now in our today's class we will go through some more examples of formal letters. So should I start my today's class? Okay, so let's continue our today's class with some more examples of formal letters. Okay, so let's start. So students, in our today's class we will be doing from the example, write an application to the principal of your school for changing father's mobile number, mother's mobile number in school records. Today what will we be doing? We will be writing application for changing father and mother's mobile number. आप दोनों में से किसी के लिए भी ये एप्लीकेशन लिख सकते हो, चाहे आपके वो फादर का फोन नंबर हो, चाहे वो आपके मदर का फोन नंबर हो. ओके, हाउ यू विल बी स्टार्ट राइटिंग? अगेन you will start writing the principal, Vidya Bal Bhavan Senior Secondary School, Mayur Vihar, Phase 3, Delhi 110096. Okay students, how you will be start writing? You will be start writing from the principal as usual, as you every time used to write the letters. Okay, and these 4 lines you all are supposed to write. Yes, together without leaving the line. Then afterwards you all will be leaving 1 line. Okay. Then after what you will be writing? You will be writing date, as we are writing this letter today. So what is the date? The date is 30th July 2020. Then afterwards subject. What is subject? Request for changing phone number. Okay, request for changing phone number. And phone number for what? आपके फादर का भी एंड मदर का भी, किसी का भी हो सकता है. ओके, सो हेयर यू आर राइटिंग योर एप्लीकेशन फॉर चेंजिंग द फोन नंबर. ओके, एज आई टोल्ड टू यू दैट योर subject should be to the point. Okay, then salutation. This is called salutation, as you everybody know. Respected sir, as we are writing this application to the sir. Okay, so we will mention here respected sir. Then body of the letter. I beg to say that I am the student of class 4th of your school. Want to inform you that my father has recently changed his current phone number. मैं आपको ये बताना चाहता हूँ या कहना चाहता हूँ या ये कहते हुए क्षमा चाहता हूँ कि मैं आपके स्कूल का 4th क्लास का विद्यार्थी हूँ. आपको ये बताते हुए क्षमा चाहता हूँ कि मेरे फादर ने जो अपना फोन नंबर है वो चेंज कर दिया है. Therefore, I would request you to please update my father's new phone number in all the school records for contacting him necessarily. So, मैं अब आपसे ये रिक्वेस्ट करता हूँ कि प्लीज जो मेरे फादर का फोन नंबर है आप उसको अपडेट कर दीजिए. कहाँ पर? इन ऑल द स्कूल रिकॉर्ड्स, उन सारे स्कूल रिकॉर्ड्स में, फॉर कॉन्टेक्टिंग हिम नेसेसरीली, जिससे कि आप उन्हें कभी जरूरत पड़ने पर कांटेक्ट कर सके. ओके, देन बिलो इज माय फादर्स न्यू फोन नंबर दैट नीड्स टू बी अपडेटेड फॉर लेटर यूज. फिर क्या है कि नीचे आप फोन नंबर लिखोगे. ये the phone number that I have written is my father's new phone number that needs to be updated for letter use. Okay, ये वो फोन नंबर है जो आप चेंज कर सकते हैं, जो आपको बाद में काम आएगा. या फिर if you want to call to my father then you can use this number. Okay, you are supposed to update this number in all the school records. Here I have written this phone number. Okay students, for example, okay, you can write here the number of your father and mothers while writing this application to the school or to the principal. Okay, then afterwards complimentary closer as usual, thanking you, yours obediently, name, class and section. Okay student, as I told to you every time that you all are supposed to learn the spellings as well. Okay, while writing the letter to principal, everybody will write only obediently, and you everybody are supposed to write this spelling. What is this? Obediently, Obediently, obediently. Okay students, then afterwards you will be writing your name, class and section. Understood? So in this way you everybody will be writing an application to changing the father and mother's mobile number in school records. Okay students, now the next question is, this is the next example that we will be doing in our today's class. Write an application to the principal of your school for changing address in school. Writing like this: the principal, Vidya Bal Bhavan Senior Secondary School, Mayur Vihar Phase 3, Delhi 110096. Okay, and afterwards date. Here you all will be leaving one line, then date 30th July 2020, and just remember this thing students, you all are supposed to write the date in this manner only, with the month. You all will not be writing 30th 7/2020. Okay, you will be writing like this. Then here you all will be leaving one line, as you have seen, or you everybody are able to see that I have also left the space here. Okay, similarly in the same manner you all are supposed to leave one line. Then subject, request for changing address. Just remember these things students, your subject should be to the point. As I told to you, it should be to the point. Request for changing address क्या है कि एड्रेस चेंज कराने के लिए या फिर सेक्शन चेंज कराने के लिए, किसी के लिए भी अगर आप लिख रहे हैं वो एप्लीकेशन, तो योर सब्जेक्ट शुड बी टू द point. Here we are writing this application to changing the address in school records, right? So you all will be writing like this: request for changing address. Then, respected sir, I beg to say that I am the student of class 4th of your school. Want to inform you that I have shifted my house address from Mayur Vihar to H128 Street, number 3, Noida, Sector 16, Ghaziabad, UP. Please note the new address and change it accordingly in your office record. So, what you are writing here? You are writing that कि मैं आपके स्कूल का 4th क्लास का विद्यार्थी हूँ, आपको ये बताना चाहता हूँ या इन्फॉर्म करना चाहता हूँ कि मैंने अपना जो घर है वो कहाँ से शिफ्ट किया है, मयूर विहार से कहाँ शिफ्ट किया है, नोएडा 16. सो प्लीज नोट द न्यू एड्रेस एंड चेंज इट अकॉर्डिंगली इन योर ऑफिस रिकॉर्ड्स. तो आपको ये कहाँ चेंज करने हैं? अपने ऑफिस रिकॉर्ड्स में. इट इज माई हम्बल रिक्वेस्ट टू अपडेट द रिकॉर्ड्स एट द अर्लीएस्ट सो दैट आई नीड नॉट फेस प्रॉब्लम. और ये मेरी आपसे एक हम्बल रिक्वेस्ट है कि आप इन रिकॉर्ड्स को सॉरी जितनी जल्दी हो सके अपडेट कर दें ताकि मुझे कोई प्रॉब्लम ना हो. प्लीज कंसिडर माई केस एज अर्जेंट एंड डू द नीडफुल. आप कृपया करके मेरा जो ये केस है इसको अर्जेंट कंसिडर करें मीन्स मेरा जो ये अपडेशन है इसको अर्जेंटली कर दें. माई टेलीफोन नंबर इज दिस. यू कैन कॉल मी और ईमेल मी आफ्टर द चेंजेस आर अपडेटेड. और आप मुझे कॉल भी कर सकते हैं और ईमेल भी कर सकते हैं जब आप चेंजेस कर देंगे. ओके, देन looking forward to hearing a positive response from you, and I am looking forward to hearing a positive response from you. Then again complimentary closer thanking you yours obediently, name, class and section. Okay students, and now this is the time for your homework. Everybody are supposed to write this application. In your homework, write an application to the principal of your school for changing name in school records. Okay, आपको क्या करना है, जैसे हमने अभी एड्रेस के लिए लिखी है ऐसे ही आपको अपना नेम चेंज करने के लिए स्कूल रिकॉर्ड में एप्लीकेशन लिखनी है. एंड योर सेकेंड क्वेश्चन इज राइट एन एप्लीकेशन टू द प्रिंसिपल ऑफ योर स्कूल फॉर चेंजिंग सेक्शन इन स्कूल रिकॉर्ड्स. एंड अनदर एप्लीकेशन आपको किसकी लिखनी है, चेंजिंग सेक्शन की इन school records. Okay students, you will be writing same as we have done in class work, changing for address. Okay, जैसे एड्रेस की लिखी है वैसे ही आप सेक्शन और नेम की भी लिख लेंगे. Okay students, you all are supposed to write these all the letters in your fair grammar notebook with blue gel pen. Okay, and headings you all are supposed to write with black gel pens. Understood students? So that's all for our today's class. Till then, we will meet again in our next class. Till then, take care of yourself and thank you very much.